Good afternoon, Blake here with Beats. Hey, slow down, man. It's only 25 zone. Anyway, Blake here with Bad Tree Productions. A little bit in the later afternoon, I'm gonna bust out my flashlight. Anyway, I figured I wanted to make a quick duster video. We haven't done one of those in a while. What I want to do is see if I can replace the radio in it that J-Bo got me at Mopar's on the Mississippi. I don't necessarily need a radio, like a thumping system or anything like that, but it would be nice to have a little noise in there. So let me see if I can find a flashlight. And I already pulled the air conditioning vent out. I went on the Plymouth Duster Facebook page and asked a quick question. How the hell do I get my radio out of my Duster without a SAWZALL? Because I haven't even really looked into it yet. But guys came on and posted instantly. Oh yeah, there's a clip in the back, and you pop that clip and it falls right out. So we'll see if there's such thing as a clip or some kind of mounting thingy. And well, what the hell? Well, I need to find a flashlight first. It's going to be dork soon. There are these here, and I'm guessing I take these out, radio falls out. So let's see if that works. Kinda. I don't have the best tool for this either, but it might not be the worst tool for it. My genius is exceptional. Oh no. Oh, come on now. That's got to be it. Otherwise it would be easy, right? My goal is to not screw up the dash. Come on. My goal is to keep it a nice factory dash with a working radio. Step one. That is a Phillips, right? There, so take that out. God dang it, I got too long of a screwdriver. Anyway, I'm still going with my genius is plentiful. Alright. Let me get that out. Is it too long though? Chrysler. Oh, remember this tool? Coming to save the day, maybe? This is the worst camera work I've ever done. Or maybe it's the best. I'll send it over to editing and see what they think of it. Oh yeah. Oh, 5 years later. What's this noise? Anyway, back to the magic. What up? I'm trying to put a bumping system in the Duster.
A broken one?
What?
A broken one?
A broken one?
Yeah.
No, a bumping.
Oh, a bumping one, yeah.
Yeah, we're bumping the dash speaker with some factory stuff over here. Yeah. Then it should just slide right out, right? No, they said. It won't just do what you want. It never does what you want, does it? People are liars.
It's a lot of fun.
Looks like if I could just tip it up. Don't be making plastic noises. I don't like those. How are you supposed to get past this box here? Do you know?
I've never torn one apart. Yeah, that looks like I don't even think that'll fit in between there and there.
I know, that's what I was thinking. So this isn't like some kind of Chevy.
No.
I mean, didn't they ever think somebody'd want to put an aftermarket 8-track in?
After this one died?
Yeah. Well, I didn't get it on camera, but it just fell right out. No, it didn't. I thought I was going to break something. I fought it. I don't know how I'm going to get the other one in. Holy shit. I had my fingers at one point Chinese finger trapped in here. My knuckles went past that chrome and my hand was stuck. And this little guy right here was being all brittle. I'm like, oh no, oh don't do it. We made it out without breaking it, so. All right. Let's get the other one. Plug it in. Okay. All right, so there's the same thing. My question is, those are at the top of the dash and really hard. I kind of used my fingers to see them. So, wish me luck. I can't film anything under there, so I'll let you know if I'm defeated or if I made it.
Outside Guys wants to be your trusted resource for any.
See, it's not that hard.
A lot of the remodelers want to
Trying to reach the back of that speaker and plug that green and black wire in is nearly impossible unless you have eyeballs on the ends of your fingers.
If you want a fresh show, no problem. Housing only. Listen every Saturday and Sunday to the kids.
So cool. Oh, I'm going to stuff it back in there and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Jesus. She's all back together. Fixed. I mean, not the air conditioning vent, but there she be. Aaliyah, should we try the radio?
Yeah.
And tonight's Bears quiz question was, Nick Foles gets his first start for the Bears this Sunday against the Colts. Who started at shining a national in front of Run play. It doesn't get much better than this because the Yankees and Rays have made no secret that they basically hate each other. Video of
violence. That is long enough, other than bad.
You don't really get much of an option when you live down in a valley, so.
Because it's one thing to say it's a contested shot.
So that's going to do it for this short video of working on the Duster. Thanks for the guys at the Plymouth Duster Facebook page for giving me a couple tips. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys, see you later.